Hello gardening farming enthusiasts. Today, we're in for a delightful adventure as we explore the world of called ducks, a charming and petite breed known for its unique appearance and friendly nature. These birds may be small in stature, but they bring a lot of personality to the farm. But before we wade into this captivating exploration, remember to subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more avian insights. Called ducks have a history that goes back several centuries, with origins in Southeast Asia and the Netherlands. These tiny ducks were originally bred for their distinctive appearance and distinctive vocalizations. Over time, they have become popular pets and exhibition birds, captivating enthusiasts with their charm. Called ducks are among the smallest domestic duck breeds. With a compact and rounded body, they come in a variety of colors, including white, gray, and blue. One of their most endearing features is their adorable upright posture and short bills. To successfully raise a pair of called ducks, you'll need a secure co-op or shelter with access to clean water for swimming. While they are hardy, they require protection from harsh weather conditions. A balanced diet that includes waterfowl feed is essential for their health. Called ducks are known for their sociable and friendly nature, making them great companions for other poultry and waterfowl breeds. They are often kept in mixed flocks, where their small size and endearing appearance add a touch of charm to the farm. Called ducks are primarily valued for their ornamental and decorative purposes. While they do lay eggs, they are not prolific layers. Instead, their small size, unique appearance, and friendly disposition make them a favorite among those seeking delightful and engaging pets. And there you have it, a glimpse into the charming world of called ducks. These tiny and endearing birds with a history that spans across continents. If you found this exploration as delightful as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more engaging species on our channel.